We're back with 11-year-old Simon the Scientist, an inquisitive young boy from Opaskwayak Cree Nation, who is taking his love for science to classrooms across Manitoba. He's about to show us some of his favorite science experiments. And remember, kids, make sure to ask an adult for help before trying this at home. What do we have here, Simon? What do we have? 3?
Here I just have some really cool science experiments that I would like to show you all.
Perfect. All right, so of course, safety first, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's put these goggles on. Don't want anything going into our eyes, so it's always good to have goggles.
Yes.
So explain what this is and let's get going.
So this right here is just baking soda and vinegar. I'm sure a lot of you people at home have heard of this experiment before. But for a more detailed explanation, it's sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, and vinegar, acetic acid, together. The baking soda acts as a base and the vinegar acts as an acid, and it creates sodium acetate. When they react, it creates a gas and a liquid. The gas gets pushed to the bottom, causing it to form bubbles and then create a bunch of foam everywhere.
Cool.
All right, let's see. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Cool. It's kind of like a volcano, kind of like some lava going on there. That was cool. And it's so fast, just like that. Yeah. You have your second experiment here. Show us this one.
This is only level 1. This is level 2.
Okay.
It's going to be a lot stronger.
All right, I'm buckled in here.
So for this, we have something called dry ice. So this is dry ice, and what it is, it's frozen CO2 or carbon dioxide. But look what happens when you pour water on it.
Whoa. Oh, it's cold.
If you want, you could put your hand over. It's very cold.
Oh. That's so cool. Is this what we see at Halloween time?
Yeah.
Something like this?
I'm pretty sure this is what they do in the Bill Nye videos.
Yeah. That's so cool.
But for our experiment, we're going to do something I like to call the pop rocket. So what we do is we pour water into here. Now in the sprinkles can is a bit of dry ice. So we pour the water in. The foam, or the gas comes out.
I'm scared.
Woo! Woo!
That's cool. Right on.
All right. Now it's time for level 3, or elephant toothpaste.
All right.
So what elephant toothpaste is, it's hydrogen peroxide and yeast.
Okay.
The hydrogen peroxide acts just as a liquid, but the yeast is a catalyst. Mm-hmm. That means it starts a chemical reaction. So what hydrogen peroxide is it's H2O2. It's almost the same chemical buildup as water, except there's an extra oxygen in it. So what the yeast does is it separates that extra oxygen, so it turns into water and then oxygen, which is a gas. And then that creates the foam. But for more foam, we can add dish soap. All right.
Okay. I have no idea what you just said, but that's why we have you here. Yeah.
All right. So we're just going to put some colors up in there.
Okay. And you can pick these up at any store?
Yeah.
Safeway, Superstore?
The hydrogen peroxide, we get it from this store called Sally Beauty.
Oh, yeah.
They have a lot of it there.
Okay.
All right, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1.
1.
Whoa!
Woo!
Let's go. It's very hot. You can put your hand over it.
Oh, it is. Wow. And it was, it's super hot. Mm-hmm. Cool. How many times have you done this, I guess?
I've done this many times. I've done it at the powwow pitch. I've done it at sessions at home. I've done it for videos on like TikTok, Instagram. Yeah. Basically, like a lot.
That's really cool. And this is all stuff you can get at home and you can do.
Yes.
That's awesome.
For each of these experiments, it's under $30.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Simon, for being here and talking to us. You know, we're so proud of you. You did so great for the interview part, of course, this part as well. And we'll be rooting for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. I hope your viewers at home had as much as fun as we did. Thanks so much for coming to our studio and teaching us all a few science tricks, Simon.
Thank you.